RS Composite resides at the heart of Bangladesh's knitwear manufacturing hub, Narayonganj, a USGBC Gold certified knitwear manufacturing facility. It has developed an eco-friendly project is strictly conforming to the Gold category requirements in leadership in energy and environmental design, which are set by the US Green Building Council. Since their inception in 1998, it's been carrying out its responsibilities towards its people and the planet while transcending through paramount customer contentment nonetheless. Keeping its commitment to the environment, the factory building is surrounded by greenery and fountains of water. Environment-friendly techniques and technologies like keeping room temperature below 30 degrees Celsius for a comfortable working environment, rainwater harvesting and usage, utilization of daylight, solid waste and wastewater management, energy-efficient and noise-free machines, etc. are used to fulfill RS Composite's devotion towards nature.
Welcome to RS.
With its strategic location comes the advancement of the local livelihood. Most of the workers are advantaged by the ease of going to work on foot. R&D team maintains expertise shaping the customer's interests into a decent design. Their performance at the design desk culminates into the finest products conforming to contemporary fashion and introducing new ones. Its merchandising and sourcing team ensure proper pricing and accurate sourcing from local and abroad. RS Composite produces premium knit fabrics. Knitted fabrics are dyed and finished with world-class equipment. A 4-point checking system is in place for quality checking of each roll of fabrics yard by yard, using contemporary and well-calibrated laboratory facilities. Here, a specialist workforce makes for top-notch production. Computer-aided design supports them to have intricate designs, and computerized cutting lines provide precision and less wastage. With the help of American technology, it offers digital screen printing and essential printing services like discharge, flock and foil printing, as well as manual screen printing, which are of critical needs, are done here too. Its world-class embroidery machines are undeniably helpful when it comes to satisfy the customer's needs. Sewing lines are spacious enough for the workers to work confidently. Currently, it produces about 1.5 million pieces of apparel of unequaled quality per month and is increasing its production capacity. Finishing, quality check and ironing is done with maximum attention to detail in order to serve the customer with utmost contentment. Management takes care of every issue of the products with their buyers through video conferencing. Afterwards, the garments are packed in cartons and ready to be shipped, strictly maintaining the CTPAT rules. It exports fancy and basic polo shirts, t-shirts, men's and ladies' wear, children's wear, trousers, sweatshirts and many other garment products to renowned brands around the globe. Many acclaimed brands trust our and has been enhancing its confidence. It maintains an effluent treatment plant to cleanse effluences chemically and biologically. World-class generators make energy independent in case of power failure. It burns its own garment waste for the boiler to provide sufficient steam to its finishing and ironing section. CC cameras are everywhere. BBT electric wiring, emergency lamp, PA system, fire alarm siren, fire exit and staircase are installed and maintained properly. Auto power pump for firefighting, water hose and auto sprinklers are installed in every floor to eliminate the chances of hazards. The workforce is the backbone of it. They receive free health care and medicines. Keeping their children at the childcare service that RS provides, the worker can work ceaselessly. At lunch and tea breaks, workers enjoy an entire floor dedicated for their comfort. They are provided pure drinking water, hand washing station with auto shower. Workers are free to walk in the garden during breaks. Regular training is organized to keep the workforce prepared to respond to occupational hazards and fire safety. It strictly follows the local labor laws along with those set by ILO, Workers' Participation Committee, that develops awareness among the employees. Dreams of a journey of long-lasting relationship and a network across the world with the cardinal aim of customer satisfaction. It seeks a sustainable growth, keeping its workers, clients, and Mother Nature in mind.